Stages of social casework.
Hi everyone, welcome back to DD's Changemakers Hub. In this video, we'll explore the 7 important stages of the social casework process. This is a must-watch if you're a social work student, practitioner, or simply passionate about helping others. What is social casework? Social casework is a method of social work that focuses on one-on-one support. It helps individuals or families overcome personal or social challenges through structured guidance, trust, and professional support.
7 stages of social casework.
Stage 1. Intake. This is the first point of contact between the client and the agency. The social worker welcomes the client, builds trust, and collects basic information to decide whether to proceed with casework.
Stage 2.
Study. A deep understanding of the client's life is gathered here. The social worker collects information through interviews, home visits, and referrals to understand problems, strengths, and environment. Stage 3. Diagnosis Assessment. The social worker analyzes the collected data to identify problems, causes, and the client's needs. This step forms the foundation for planning support. Stage 4. Treatment Intervention. Action begins. This includes counseling, advocacy, connecting with services, or helping the client adopt new behaviors or routines. Stage 5. Evaluation. The social worker reviews whether the treatment is working. Changes may be made based on feedback or new developments. Stage 6. Termination. Once goals are achieved or the client chooses to leave, the case is closed. The worker reflects with the client and ensures they are ready to move forward independently.
Stage 7. Follow-up.
The social worker may check on the client after termination to make sure progress is continuing and to prevent relapse. Conclusion. The 7-stage casework process provides a professional and caring path to help individuals navigate life's challenges. Every step is essential to ensure the client receives the support they truly need. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe to DD's Changemakers Hub. Let me know in the comments if you'd like a separate video on any of the stages. Like, comment, and subscribe.